Problem with the traditional marketing techniques is they often fail to drive effective and immersive experiences that our modern customer demand. Hello everyone, this is Umair Akhtar, final year student of Business Department at Namal University, Miyawali.
And this is Faizan La from the Department of Business Studies.
Today I am going to talk about my final year project, which is leveraging augmented reality in the marketing of agri products. First of all, you must know what is augmented reality. Augmented reality is overlaying digital information onto the real world. Augmented reality allows user to visualize product onto the real world through virtual interface that enhance customer decision making process and engage the customers.
Our project objectives are: number 1, to develop a AR working prototype; number 2, to modernize agriculture marketing; number 3, to overcome the literacy barrier through AR experience; number 4, to build brand trust and empower farmers. One of their product, Humi Grow, we develop an AR prototype for Vital Agri Nutrients Private Limited. We completely modernized their product packaging by turning it into a smart trigger. Powered by Unity 3D engine and Vuforia SDK, our app recognizes QR code on bag.
Static ads cannot compete with modern and engaging content, but augmented reality fills this gap by visualizing product onto the real time and engage the customer and increase their purchase intentions.
A real problem exists in the marketing of agriculture products. Our project provides solution to the Vital Agri Nutrients Private Limited to make their marketing effective through AR.